Looking for the best AI coding assistant in 2026, while Cursor has become one of the most popular AI code editors, Runable has evolved into an AI agent that can build complete projects, not just write code. So, which one should you choose? Let's find out. Introduction. Although both tools use AI to help developers, they are built for different purposes. Cursor is an AI first code editor, while Runnable is an autonomous AI agent that can plan, build, and deliver complete applications from a single prompt. What are they? Let's start with the basics. Runnable AI is an autonomous AI agent. Instead of simply generating code, it asks follow up questions, creates a plan, and can build websites, apps, reports, workflows, and other projects with minimal user input. It also supports multi step task execution and built in AI skills for different types of work. Cursor is an AI powered code editor based on Visual Studio Code. It helps developers write, edit, debug, and understand code directly inside a familiar IDE. Bottom line, Runnable focuses on completing projects while Cursor focuses on helping you write code. Feature comparison. Let's start with Runnable AI. Autonomous AI agent plans tasks before execution, builds complete websites and apps, multi step workflow automation, supports AI skills, plugins, and multiple AI models. Great for users who want AI to complete tasks with minimal coding. Cursor AI powered code editor, smart code completion, natural language code editing, debugging and refactoring, project wide code understanding, full VS Code compatibility. If you are writing code every day, Cursor offers more control. If you want AI to handle most of the project for you, Runnable has the advantage. Which one should you choose? Choose Runnable if you want an AI agent instead of just coding assistant. Choose Runnable AI if you build prototypes, websites, or apps from simple prompts. Choose Runnable AI if you prefer automation over manually editing code. Choose Cursor if you are a software developer. Choose Cursor if you spend hours coding every day. Choose Cursor if you want AI assistance while staying in complete control of your code. Final verdict. These tools are not direct competitors, they solve different problems. If your goal is writing and maintaining code, Cursor is still one of the best AI code editors available. But if your goal is telling AI what you want and letting it build the project for you, Runnable AI is the better choice thanks to its autonomous AI agent workflow and end to end project generation. If this comparison helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let us know down below in the comments which would you choose, Cursor or Runnable AI. Thanks for watching and goodbye.